it's a nightmare. You know, you hear on the news, federal indictment, and you don't even think about it, but when it's linked to your son, it's an absolute nightmare. When we first found out that he might be indicted, we called a local attorney, and he recommended Gretchen as someone who had a vast amount of experience with the federal system, which is what we needed.
Federal cases are a completely different system with different rules. A lot of lawyers in this area won't go to federal court because they're intimidated, because they're not as familiar with the judges and with the prosecutors and with the laws.
The first time I met Gretchen, I felt a sense of relief, I think, because she's so confident, she's so knowledgeable, yet at the same time she understands what the family's going through. It's not just about our son being charged with a federal offense. She knew that this affected the entire family.
As a former federal public defender, I know these judges, I know these laws inside and out, and it's a system where you need to know how to play the system. The federal sentencing guidelines, for example, are extremely complicated. They not only take into account your criminal history, giving you a certain number of points for every offense you've ever been convicted of, but it also takes into account many different enhancements from different parts of the chapter. So the book is like this thick, and you can't just know the one chapter that applies to your law. You have to know all of the possible enhancements that could come up along the way. And the only way you can know that is by familiarity with doing it day in and day out for a number of years.
I can honestly say that hiring Gretchen was the best thing we ever did. It was the best decision we ever made. We could never have gotten through this without her.